How to add notes on Instagram post first, open the Instagram app on your phone. Navigate to the post where you want to add a note. This can be any post from someone you follow. Below the post, tap on the airplane icon, which is usually used for sharing. You will now see a new option called Add a Note at the bottom left of the screen. Tap on it. A text box will appear where you can type your note. After entering your message, you will have the option to share it with followers who follow you back or just close friends. Select the option that works best for you, then tap the Share button. Your note will now be visible on that post. If you want to allow others to add notes to your posts and reels, go to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right. Then tap on the three-line menu at the top right. Scroll down and select Sharing and Reuse. Look for the option that says Allow Notes on Posts and Reels. If this setting is turned off, others won't be able to add notes to your posts. If you want to enable this feature, simply turn it on. That's how to add notes on Instagram post.